Hello, I'm Michael Dross, your son or daughter's AP World History teacher. Everything for the course will be located on Canvas, as you see in the background here, um, and it's quite lengthy. I have kind of scaled it down a little bit because we're getting back into regular school and it's kind of shocking off for some kids. But for the most part, it's still pretty rigorous to get your son or daughter ready for the AP test in the year, which is our goal to do well. I've got a pretty good passing rate as long as everyone has a good work ethic and gives effort and wants to do well. Most do well on the test in the year and during the class too. So just if there's any times the motivation's a problem or it's just, oh man, this test was really hard, just help out your son or daughter, keep them motivated. And I do the same thing in class too. It's like, we're going to get through this together, I promise. There is no surprises in this class. If you look at the announcements, um, there is a schedule for everything in the 9 weeks, all the way up through October. So if you go to announcements and look here, there's no surprises. Every single day is counted out right here and goes into detail for what it is. I also, in each module, have the breakdown of PowerPoints, lectures with my commentary in the background is already done. They'll take their quizzes and tests on a Chromebook in class, and if there's something that's an assignment or written, they'll do it on a piece of paper. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just message me at drossm@leonschools.net. I'll make myself available to help you out for whatever you need. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.